Hello, cellos. For those of you who are working on the Gavotte by Trowell, Arnold Trowell, how would you like to have that name? Or Trowell? Anyway, um, so there are recordings out there. The recordings I found online, they go pretty brisk, and that's the best thing about this solo is there is sort of a range of tempos you could do it. This really needs to. You can think at quarter note is 150, or you can think at a half note is 70 to 80. So it just depends on how fast you can, but it needs to feel like a gavotte, which is a Baroque dance. So I'm going to think in 4/4 right now. It is written in 4/4 common time. But I'm going to start a good starting tempo. If you're just starting the solo, is maybe around 86, the quarter note. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would strongly suggest just pizzicatoing it first, okay? Make sure there are some accidentals. You're in the key of G, but they like to throw in these C sharps once in a while, so you got to be careful of that. On the second page, it goes to G minor, okay? So you got to get your B flats and your E flats in there as well. So really, that's the biggest thing, and then the dynamics make this piece, okay? And actually, they're either basically loud or soft. And in the Baroque era, I'm assuming this guy's a Baroque composer, there were things called terrace dynamics, and that meant basically the music was loud or is it soft? And you might ask, well, why was that? Well, it had to do with harpsichords, and they didn't have and just all the instruments didn't have the finesse in the building to get the grand scheme of dynamics that we can get now with our more sophisticated instruments. So they write these terrace dynamics in for you. Mezzo forte goes with pianissimo. Then they have mezzo piano. And then they have mezzo forte. And so really make sure you're making a big difference between those, okay? So we're going to just pizzicato this. Here's the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, play. Echo. Mezzo forte. Okay, now right there is where we have our first accidental, okay? So make sure in measure 6 that the 8th notes, B, D, C sharp, B, F sharp, okay? So you might want to play that on your own, that you have that in your head, because that's a little place where your fingers could get a little tied up, okay? We're going to start from the beginning again, and I'm going to back it down a little bit just to compensate for that one measure. Have it set at 80 now. Here we go. 1, 2. Soft. Mezzo forte. F sharp now. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat. Jump to B natural. Natural. E flat. B flat. Lead B flat. Like the beginning. All right, so this solo, if you have the left hand worked out, the rest will be pretty easy, I think, for you. You just gotta look for key signatures, make sure you have accidentals in place. This is very much a good starting tempo. It's not what you want for performance tempo because it doesn't feel like a gavotte, okay? So listen to those performance recordings that we put online for you, so you get a feel for where you're aiming for, because it is almost twice as fast as what we're going at. So it's a totally different character, okay, when you get it up to that kind of tempo, okay? So this is a fun solo. It's kind of showy. Use your dynamics. That's what's going to make it really showy. And yeah, this will be a great choice for a lot of you. So start pizzicatoing, start at the slow tempo, and I think that is your key to success. So hope you're having a great day. Reach out if you need any help from us, and we are here for you. Take care.